Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a Crimson Desert not launching or opening on Xbox app. So what you need to do here, currently I don't have this on Xbox app, but I will show you how you can fix it. So let's say this is the Crimson Desert here. So you need to make sure to run this basically game through shortcut, and sometimes it will fix the problem. So you just need to find Crimson Desert here in the list, then press on the three dots, press manage, then press A and create desktop shortcut. And once the shortcut appears, try to launch the game through shortcut and look if the problem persists or not. Of course, you can also verify files. So you just need to go to manage and files and verify files. Maybe some files corrupted, right? Next thing what you need to do here, you need to press on your profile icon that is on the top left. Then you need to go to support, and then you should see a gaming service repair tool. Press on it, start repairing, and wait until repair process here is done. And then look if the problem persists. Next thing what you can do here is to go to installed apps. Then you need to look for Crimson Desert. In my case, it would be Minecraft, right? Press on the three dots, advanced options, scroll down until you see reset, press repair, wait for a couple of seconds, look if the problem persists, and then press reset, right? And after that, look if the game is starting or not. Other thing that you can do here is to reinstall gaming services for Xbox app. And to do so, quite easy, you just need to open up PowerShell, make sure to run as admin. And once you run as admin, you need to put a few commands. I will leave the link to basically all the commands in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. So this is the first command here. And wait, and then you need to put another command here. Another command, right? And then press install, yes, and wait until installation process is done, right? And after that, look if the problem persists. And also what I hear about Crimson Desert and update required, so I need to update it now, is that there is a trick how you can launch the game. So I will explain you shortly after this is installed. So basically what you need to do here is to launch the game, and once your game is launched, you need to quickly disable your internet. So you can do this with as you can see here, with a Wi-Fi, or you can go view network connections or unplug it from your cable, or simply disable here. Another thing that you can do here, and then when the game loads up, you need to re-enable, and for some people it worked. Another thing that you can do here is to completely disable your internet, and once it's disabled, then launch the game, and once it loads, enable your internet, and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it, and if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.